it's I would say training your subconscious mind, giving affirmations and all that stuff. So we basically we all know what are the do's and don'ts, what needs to be done, what not. But what's important is having a platform, being with the right group of people. It is like you can study on your own if you are a very exceptionally good student, but otherwise for studying what requires is tuitions, classes, so that you can get avail the facilities of tests and all that stuff, and group of people, group of good teachers. So that classes provides you a platform so that you can academically study well and prosper. Although you can buy books and do it on your own. Same goes here. Although you can buy book of affirmations and all that, if you can do it on your own, well and good. But what's better is having a group of people with whom you can connect to, and then having a platform which Ankur sir has provided us with. Now the good thing about that is, if you look at that chart, it's so carefully organized and well maintained. What are the do's and don'ts? What needs to be done? What positive, negative emotions? What needs to be done? How we have to come into alignment? What is the timetable of throughout the day that you have to follow? That it's so systematically done. So with this platform that has been provided to us, and with that zest that okay, now I have got a platform. It is like I'm a train. I wanted to run, but only I needed a track. Ankur sir, this part of the workshop has given us that track. Now all we have to do is to have that zest that okay, on this track now I'll be running my train. And if you will run the train on this track, and I'm sure this track is right, it's going to take you to the right destination. All you have to do is to have that enthusiasm, eagerness, and attitude and willpower that and now I have to consistently run. And if you will consistently run, right destination is guaranteed. That's all I can say.
Wonderful. Big hand. Lovely.